Okay, we're tearing down this house today. It's on Fort Myers Beach. It was another victim of Hurricane Ian. It's a big frame structure. We're going to take this down. We're trying to do it in about 4 truckloads instead of 5. Colton is one of our best operators, and you're going to see a real professional at work. So this is another house on Santal Island that we're taking down. This is actually a low-income housing project that got damaged pretty significantly from Hurricane Ian. Hurricane Ian brought 10 to 20 foot of storm surge on this whole island. So this property here is low-income property that they're going to rebuild. Wink News is out here.
It's a little bittersweet. Today's tearing this building down.
So Santal has taken a really bad hit, been hurt as bad as Fort Myers Beach. Both of these 2 islands have been destroyed. This is Colton. This is a young man. He's got tremendous skills. He's very meticulous about what he does. If you noticed before, he keeps his debris field very tight. So he was chunking into the house and pushing it in and trying to keep everything inside the envelope. That way we don't have a big mess to clean up. When you clean up a big mess with an excavator, you end up mixing in so much dirt into your debris that you're paying for a lot of weight that's unnecessary. So what he's going to do is he's going to keep this whole house inside the envelope of that foundation. What we're doing here is what he's loading up right now is, we call it C&D in the construction industry. It's construction debris, and basically it's the drywall, the wood, the furniture, anything that's not gooey and anything that's not concrete. So what he's doing here is, if you'll notice, he'll drop stuff and he'll chew it up. He's making it small enough that we have very minimal voids in our dump trailers when we're taking it to the dump. That minimizes how many trips we have to make. And if you notice how he spreads it out across the dump trailer, that is a 65-yard dump trailer. It is capable of taking a house like this in about 4 or 5 loads. This dump trailer, which that dump trailer will lift all the way up on its tail wheels. It's pretty impressive to see it when it's dumping. So if you notice here, Colton's using the bucket or the stick in the bucket on the excavator, and he's sweeping like you would with a broom. So this takes a lot of skill. It takes a lot. It's just a lot of time in the machine. A lot of operators have been operating for years and years and years, and they don't do things as well as Colton does. So he's sweeping all this up. He's getting all the construction debris separated from the concrete so that we can take the concrete in. A load of concrete might be $100. If we took it into the C&D plant, they wouldn't hate us for doing it, but it would be, you know, several $1,000s to dump a dumpster instead of 100. So the places that we take the concrete to, they crush it up and make it into concrete again, or they make it into gravel for construction. So this is our other end dump, and this end dump is set up to take the pounding that you get when you're putting concrete and stuff. So that's it. Off to the next one. Hey, if you like what you saw, please subscribe, give us a like, and we'll see you on the next one.